Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X, a midsize truck built for serious off-road adventures with a perfect blend of rugged performance and premium comfort. If you're looking for a truck that can tackle extreme terrain while keeping you comfortable, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Canyon AT4X has a bold, aggressive stance, featuring a wider track for better stability. The front end is dominated by a large, blacked-out grille with signature LED lighting, giving it a tough, modern look. Skid plates, red tow hooks, and high-clearance bumpers make it clear that this truck is built for off-road dominance. The 33-inch mud terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels add to its capability, while the lifted suspension provides excellent ground clearance for tackling rough terrain. Under the hood, the 2.7-liter turbocharged engine delivers an impressive 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance on and off the road. With 4-wheel drive, a 2-speed transfer case, and front and rear locking differentials, this truck is ready for serious off-road action. Whether you're crawling over rocks or blasting through muddy trails, the Canyon AT4X has the tech and power to handle it. The Multimatic DSSV dampers provide exceptional suspension control, making off-road driving more comfortable while keeping the truck stable. With Baja mode, the Canyon AT4X optimizes performance for high-speed desert running, adjusting throttle response and traction settings for maximum control. Step inside, and you'll find a well-equipped, premium interior. The Obsidian Rush interior features leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching, offering both durability and luxury. Heated and ventilated front seats, a fully digital 11-inch driver display, and a large 11.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make this truck as high-tech as it is rugged. There's also a head-up display, a Bose premium sound system, and plenty of smart storage options to keep your gear secure. Safety is also a priority, with GMC's Pro Safety Plus package offering forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path, you'll have peace of mind knowing the Canyon AT4X is built to keep you safe. Overall, the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X is one of the most capable midsize trucks on the market, combining hardcore off-road performance with premium features. Let us know in the comments, would you take this truck on your next adventure?